This video shows how to buy shares of Staffline Group Plc, a UK staffing and workforce solutions company listed on LSE PLC under the ticker STAFL. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. Always research and understand the risks before investing. To trade, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STAFL to find Staffline Group Plc. Make sure you select the matching LSE listing to locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm details about Staffline's operations. Check the exchange showing LSE PLC and the ticker STAF.L to confirm it's the correct share. To buy, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.